Hey friends, welcome to the channel. If you have Instagram account, Facebook account, TikTok account and YouTube, I think this video is very special for you because in this video I'm going to show you this website that is going to pay you more than $500 by doing the following. So let's dive in and see how this website works. But before we jump into all the details, kindly subscribe to my channel for you to never miss all of the videos that I post on this channel. And I talk about side hustles, how to make money online, and personal development. Please kindly subscribe to my channel. My name is Hans David. So let's see how this website works. So this is a platform that connects big brands with the influencers and content creators all around the world, and they are offering incredible opportunities of partnership. If you have Instagram account, TikTok account and Facebook account, without forgetting YouTube, you can start making money just by posting different content as you were always doing. If you are posting different content and you're making sure that you share these links that you get from these brands, I think this is the right time for you to start making money. So I'm going to show you how are you going to join to this website and how much are you actually going to be paid on this website and all the things that you are supposed to know about this website. Let's see how to get started. The reason of these big brands wanting to work with you is that they want to reach to wider audience all over the world. So that's the reason they are looking for different content creators and influencers to make sure that they get to the point that they reach to wider audience globally. This is what you have to do. You have to go to this website, which is called impact.com. After coming to this website, you will be able to see on the top of this page the word publishers. You have to click there and create your account. The reason of coming to this website and create your account, you will be able to get all the links from these brands from this website so that you can share to your audience on social media. So that's the reason we came on this website, impact.com. This is the first step. Okay, so right after joining this website, impact.com, you have to start looking out for these brands. There are a lot of brands, as you can see on the screen there. You can choose as many as you want, and you can choose the brand that you really want to work with. And after being accepted, you will have to get these links from this brand, and you have to share those links that you get from these brands, and you have to share these links to your audience. So you will be paid by bringing traffic to these brands. So let's say that you have shared your links on Instagram or Twitter or TikTok. So anyone clicks that link from your audience, that means that you're going to get this commission from this big brand that you have partnered with. So I really want you to try this because there are people who are making a decent amount of money just by doing this, and this is kind of like passive income. And it's very important for you to try this because you're just going to post anyway. With getting money, without getting money, you're just going to post anyway. So why not making money just by posting instead of you just posting and you're not getting any cent out of it? So it's really good thing for you to join to this website and start making money by sharing links and generating traffic into these brands. It's really easy, and you have to do this right away. And I want to tell you the other thing, for you to get more than $500 just by one video that you post on your social networks. Let's say that you have this huge audience and many people are watching you, following what you do on social network. It can be Instagram, it can be TikTok. You have to do the following. You have to find these brands and you have to email them that you want to make a deal with them, and you want to post a video talking about them, promoting what they're selling. And just by doing that, you have to rate how much you want to charge them. It can be more than $500 per one video or $800 per one video. I've seen this YouTuber, she was saying that she was charging more than $800 per one video just by talking about these brands on this website. This is like a good opportunity for you to start making a lot of money. If you have big audience, if you have a lot of followers, I think this is the right time for you to start making money. It can be on Instagram, it can be on TikTok. It doesn't matter how many followers you have to start making money. And I want to tell you the last thing about this website. Not every brand will say yes to you. There are a lot of rejection as well, but you have to try as much as you can because there are a lot of brands that will be acceptable and you will start working with them. It's really easy and it's really possible. So for you to get money, you have to start right now. You can start by creating your Instagram account or TikTok account, and you can start posting content every single day. After you build this big audience, it's good for you to start applying to this website, to these brands, and you can start working with them right away. And I think this is a really good thing for anyone out there who wants to increase source of income. And in order for you to be acceptable on these brands, you have to make sure that you are producing very good quality content on your platform. You just need to provide something with a good value so you can attract this brand to keep working with you. But it really doesn't matter how many followers you have. You can have 1,000 followers on Instagram and still making a lot of money and still making a lot of deals on this brand. So it really does matter the number of followers you have. The only thing that really matters is what kind of content that you're producing, what kind of content that you're posting on your TikTok or Facebook, Instagram, wherever. So this is a really good chance for you, and you can start making money. And I'm pretty sure that if you are doing this right now, and if you try this right now, within 3 months or 4 months from now, you will be somewhere else. You can start making more than $1,000 a month, $3,000 a month. As I told you that I've seen this YouTuber, she was making more than $3,000 in a month. So it's really possible for you to give a shot and see how much you're going to make in this year. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and I hope to see you next time. My name is Hans David, and I'm really happy that I've provided some information about this website, which is called Impact Website. It's really easy. Go and try this. Thank you so much.